This is an example of two different companies using NAV that we want to join for international reporting. First company is US-based company with a chart of account that is quite different from this UK-based company. For example, in UK, revenue are here, our accounts around 6, while in our US-based company, it's about class 7. We wanted to join this revenues, costs, and profit and loss statement to be able to analyze them across all companies. So what we are going to do, we are going to use account schedule functionality, that is a standard NAV functionality. We have to create account schedule. This is an multi with few rows, R for revenue, COGS, operating cost, and totaling GL accounts that we want to include in this account schedule row. In UK-based company, we have to create the same structure of account schedule, so row number, description, and totaling type must be the same, while totaling is different because it refers to different GL accounts. That is the key. If you would like to see, the numbers are pretty okay, and also most of the functionality from NAV is supported in BI. This is starting point for our BI processing. The second part is setting up BFO dynamics. In our process, we will set up one company coming from United States is another company from UK is in another database server, and these are the data for this company. As you see, when selecting company, we can select one or more companies. In this case, the green one is US and the pink one is from United Kingdom. Now, specifically for our international reporting, we will add additional currency for reporting, and this is the currency that must be in currency list in each companies, and exchange rate that is in that NAV table will be affecting all the calculations that we will do in BI. So this may not be the same additional currency for reporting that NAV is using and can be set up as a separate or different additional currency for reporting. What we also see here is the setup of global dimensions. We support 8 global dimensions, and dimension 1 from United States company is called business area. Actually, this is the same, it has the same meaning as department in United Kingdom. Dimension number 2 in both company is customer group. So we are going to now to select a module. In this case, this is a specific account schedule model specifically designed for multi-company environment where such international specifics across the companies are picked up, deployed, and processed to fit these requirements. Now we are going to deploy and process. Now we're going to see the results of our processing in previous step. Okay, this is our cube. Okay, and first we're gonna check need change based on account schedule functionality. As we have been, these have been created per company. We see that US has 2, and these are only available in UK, but this multi-company is available across both companies. So, but in this example, we are gonna focus on our multi-company. The numbers here are in local currency, British pounds and American dollars. And first we're gonna add additional currency for reporting, because by looking into these numbers we can compare revenues, costs, and other measures across companies. And we are gonna put this away. We could bring years as a dimension, that is of course normal, but let us focus only into 2015, and to be sure that we put also closed periods on GL postings that we have everything that is set by now. Okay, this is good. Now specifics about what we have. So these are now euros because we selected euro as additional currency for both companies, and we can check how the revenue is built by which GL account. We're gonna bring in GL account, and we can see that these are GL accounts that contribute to revenue in UK, and different GL account contribute to revenue in United States. Similarly to, of course, all other account schedule lines. We could go also to the document level and bring in the lowest granularity document by GL. This would just bring us a lot of documents that we have, but there they are. Okay, we can go from the top to bottom within few clicks. Since we have BI Cube that is source for our pivot table, we can use any other dimension that is available here. What we are gonna do is to check our global dimension 1, and let's focus only on revenue, and also any dimension that comes in hierarchy will show that it is coming from currency, which means that these three are summed in enterprise software. If I continue further, I have selected customer group. Now I can use it either as a separate dimension or in any combination that I want to analyze. Also here I can at any given point use for comparison values as % of row total, so that I can really see where the numbers are. Sorry, it should be % of column total. Yeah, this is the right thing to do. Okay, so what else going to check? Here revenue can be set also by a date, for example. We can bring month here, and without these can do some analysis, comparison, because now it makes sense. These two numbers can be aligned or by lines. Now the numbers that we can compare. So this is it. This is a dashboard that shows operating costs. These are the values for UK and United States over the year. These are the absolute comparison by global dimension 1, and here we have the details about the GL accounts. And as you may see, in UK and United States they do not use the same GL account. For that reason, we have selected and added another field that is management account name. Actually here, this is actually aligning all numbers across UK, United States. Actually, what is this? This is a search name that we can display without a number and manage the caption as we want. There are more details, and we can show you more about what we can do from account schedules, BI for Dynamics and Excel, but I hope you have a good impression how you can manage financial reporting in international company.